Today I'm going to show you a Python built-in function zip. So open a Python shell, create two lists A and B. A equals Python, Java, Ruby, and B equals Django, Spring, and Rails. Now let's zip them. C equals zip of A comma B. Okay, we got a zip object at C. Now let's call list of C. Okay, we got a list of tuples. Python is matched with Django, Java with Spring, and Ruby with Rails. Now let us see the definition of zip function given in the Python documentation. Make an iterator that aggregates elements from each of the iterables. Make or returns an iterator. Let's check if we have got an iterator object at C. It is given that it is a zip object. Now let's see if it is an iterator object. So for that, let's call the next method of iterators, next of C. Okay, we got Python and Django, the first element of C. Now let's call next of C again. It gives Java Spring, and again it gives Ruby Rails, and again it gives top iteration. So this is an iterator object at C. So now let's see the elaborated definition here. Returns an iterator of tuples where the ith tuple contains the ith element from each of the argument sequences or iterables. So let's check if we have got the ith tuple in the ith tuple, the ith element from each of the iterables. Okay, the iterables are A and B. The zeroth element is Python in A and Django in B. In our C, the zeroth element is Python and Django. That's right. First element is Java Spring in A and B. Here it is Java Spring. And the second element is Ruby Rails. Here it is Ruby Rails. So that's right. So the iterator stops when the shortest input iterable is exhausted. So we have taken two iterables with same length. It is 3. So now let's change that. Let's update our A with another element PHP. Okay, now we have len of A is 4, so and len of B is 3. Now let's zip them. List of zip of A comma B. Okay, we got Python, Django, JavaScript, and Ruby Rails, the same result as before. So the PHP is not counted because the list B is only having 3 elements. So that is checked. Now with a single iterable argument, it returns an iterator of one tuple. Let's check that. If we have list of zip of 1. Okay, we got a one tuple with one element. With now with no arguments, it returns an empty iterator. If we give no argument here, okay, it returns an empty list.